There are two methods to multiplying binomials. Binomials are numbers with two terms. So these are our two methods, and you may have used one or you may have used the other, but our first method is FOIL, which stands for first, outer, inner, and last. Okay, so when I say first, I'm talking about the first terms in both of my binomials. So our first two terms is x and 6x, and I'm multiplying them to each other. So x times 6x gives me 6x squared. And outer, when I'm talking about the outer, I'm talking about the ones that are on the outside, right? Kind of towards the outside of both parentheses in both binomials. And that's going to be x and 12x. And when I multiply those, I get 12x. Inner are the ones that are right next to each other. All right, they're right next to each other, but in different parentheses. So that's -5 and positive 6x, which gives me -30x. And then last are the ones that occur last in both parentheses. So -5 and 12 gives me -60. Now, we've got to combine our like terms in order to get our correct answer, which is going to be a trinomial. There's nothing I can combine 6x squared to, so it just remains 6x squared. And I can combine 12x and -30x to give -18x. And then -60, I can't combine it to anything, so I just get -60. So this should have been what your answer looked like, even if you did FOIL or if you did the box method. So here's the box method here. You're going to put one on top and then one going down the side. Doesn't matter which one. Make sure that you keep your signs together. And you're going to multiply them as if you were finding the area of each box. So x times 6x gives me 6x squared. 6x times -5 gives me -30x. All right, 12 times x gives me 12x. And then last but not least, -5 times 12 gives me that -60. In the box method, you should be able to add the diagonals, right? So in this case, 6x squared, there is no other like terms like 6x squared. So we're just going to have, 6x squared. And then -30x and 12x are in fact alike because they have the same exponent and the same variable. So -30x combined with 12x is going to give me -18x, and then -60. Let me rewrite that down here. 6x squared minus 18x minus 60. And if you can remember, because sometimes my memory is not that great, that is the same answer that we got using FOIL. So either method that you prefer is absolutely fine.